This is a very simple, some might say overly simple, hydroponic setup, but it works, and that's all that matters. It's my chamber. There's no nutrient reservoir. It's just a straight canister, 4-quart canister filled with purified water. To hold my plant, I have a sink drain, 97-cent sink drain. Perlite is my medium. My plant is a giant sunflower, although not giant yet. Hopefully it'll reach about 6 feet or so. There's the roots penetrating through. I had a slight concern that they wouldn't penetrate through, but I gave it a shot, and they're doing so very nicely. Got the air stone in here. You can't pull it up, but it's in there. You can see the bubbles from it. I use Fox Farms nutrients. I use Grow Big, and I use Big Bloom, and I also have Tiger Bloom for when it actually starts to flower. So the air stone's in there. This is a one-way valve, prevents water from going through to control the water level and make sure it doesn't flood the medium out and the plant itself out. Just have a slit right there. I figured out how far the roots need to go, and I cut a slit. It's also where the air line enters. And the pump is protected from rainwater. It's slightly elevated. It's a little $6 pump from Walmart. It's elevated so water can flood it and get inside and short anything out, because that would be very no good. And I keep it protected from wind with some stones on top. The total cost was about 8, including the air stone, about $10, and the bucket I got from Home Depot a long time ago. I don't know how much it is, but you can use almost anything to protect it from water. And the stones were free. So for about $10, I have a nice little hydroponic setup. And that's it.